Today we'll be making this Rakhi, this handmade Rakhi. So let's start. This is the newspaper which I have cut it into 1/4 part, and there are scissors, some beads which I was having at home. This is the foam, sparkling foam which I have cut it into a circle. So now let's start with it. So I'm just taking a stick, or you can take a toothpick and just try to roll it like this, and after that just take it out. So it's, so it's not rolling completely. I'll just remove it again, and then again I'll try it. You can take a piece of paper also if you don't have newspaper, and just roll it like this. After rolling it, just apply few amount of gum and paste it nicely so that it doesn't come out, and leave it for few minutes to dry. Now what we'll do is we'll just roll it in a circular manner like this, but before rolling it I'll just apply some Fevicol to it, the whole newspaper stick. So I've just applied Fevicol all over this stick, and I'm just again rolling the newspaper. This is just the base of the Rakhi which we are creating, and I'm just rolling it. You can take a bigger size newspaper also if you want to make bigger Rakhis, but I think this size is sufficient for me. Make sure that you are sticking those properly so that it doesn't come out. Just apply more gum at the end and just press it nicely so that it sticks properly, and just apply it on the above area also. And after doing that, just let it dry for some time, and then we'll apply that foam. So now it is dry a little bit. So this is the foam, which is sparkling foam. If you don't have it, you can cut the piece of paper and paint it with blue color and put the sparkles on it, and just apply a little bit of Fevicol and paste it at the top of that round base which we have made it. Press it nicely so that it doesn't comes out, and leave it for it to dry. Make sure you have pasted properly. Just press it. So it's not pasted nice. I'll put more gum to it. As this is a thick foam, so it is taking time to press it. If you use paper, it will paste it more easily. You can paste it more easily. So leave it for a few minutes, and now it has been pasted nicely. I'll cut the extra areas which are coming out of that circle. After that, we'll paint the sides with this marker. You can use your poster color, acrylic color, whatever you have to paint the sides, or you can also use a ribbon to paste it around. I was not having the ribbon, so I thought of coloring it. After that, once it is done, I'll just apply the Fevicol in the sides of the circle. And after that, this is the bead which I was having. You must be having some necklace or something, and I'll just paste it in the sides of the circle. I'll just measure the size and then I'll cut it. So just paste the circle at the corners at the edge of the circle. So this is it, and I have some beads which I was having earlier. If you don't have, you must be having some old Rakhis or some bracelets broken something which you can use it as a bead. So I've just pasted one silver bead in the middle and I'll be making a shape of a mandala or a flower to it. I'm just applying some Fevicol and just pasting those beads all around. So there are total 6 beads which I have used here. So this is the surface, how the Rakhi will look. Now what we'll take, this is the thread which we use in puja and all. So I have just taken that thread and I'm just rolling it, and these are few beads which I had taken from the previous Rakhi, and I'm just putting it inside that thread. So I'll put similarly 4 beads like that. So the thread part is done. Now what we'll do is this I have silver golden tape which I will wrap around to the sides. There are many tapes which comes in different colors. You can use that as well for gift wrapping and all. You can use that for just wrapping that side area, or you can use ribbons if you want. So I've just cut this area and just placed it so that it becomes a little bit more strong. And now what I'll do is, now for pasting that thread, I'll just apply some gum over it. I'll apply some gum on the top and we'll just paste that thread over it. And after pasting that thread, I will take a piece of paper, a small piece of paper, and I'll just cut it in small size, and I'll just place it above it. So the extra paper I'll remove, and what I'll do here is I'll tie a knot at the end of that bead so that bead doesn't, see, it's coming here, so again I have to remove the knot. Take that knot to the beads where the bead is there so that bead stays there only. So I'm just tying a knot and pushing it to the end of that bead. Similarly I'll do over here also. So this is done, and the extra paper I'll cut it out. So extra paper I have cut it out, and this is it. Rakhi made in just within 15 minutes. This homemade Rakhi. I hope you enjoyed this. So this is how it looks. So thank you for watching and have a great Raksha Bandhan.